Hey everyone, and welcome back to your Money Your Way channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the recent performance and key developments surrounding Yangzijiang Shipbuilding, a major player on the Singapore exchange, trading under the ticker BS6. Given the activity we've seen lately, let's break down the latest information as of Wednesday, 23rd April 2025. Please note that the content presented in this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice. We strongly recommend that you seek proper guidance from a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Yangzijiang Shipbuilding is a significant private shipbuilder based in China, with operations spanning shipbuilding itself, investments, trading activities, and even areas like ship demolition and vessel ownership. They're known for being one of the most competitive players in the industry. Let's take a look at how the stock has been performing recently. As of late today, 23rd April 2025, the stock price is hovering around the 2.17 Singapore dollars to 2.18 Singapore dollars mark. We've seen some interesting movements in the short term. Today showed a slight dip, with the stock decreasing by roughly 0.90% to 1.81%. However, if we look back over the past week, the trend has been positive, showing an increase of about 7.35% to 9.41%. Zooming out a bit, the past month tells a slightly different story, with the stock experiencing a decline of around 5.96% to 11.69%. And looking at the year-to-date performance, we see a more significant decrease of approximately 24.0% to 27.42%. However, if we take a longer view, over the past year, the stock has actually shown a substantial increase of about 14.21% to 28.6%. So, what could be driving these fluctuations? It's always a mix of factors. Recently, around 21st April, there was news that the US appeared to be easing its initial proposal regarding higher port fees on ships built in China. Given Yangzijiang's position as a major Chinese shipbuilder, this development seems to have had a positive impact on the stock price, leading to a notable surge earlier this week. Another factor to consider is the company's activity in buying back its own shares. Share buybacks can sometimes signal management's confidence in the company's value and can provide support to the stock price. Looking at the bigger picture, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding reported strong financial results for the full year 2024. They saw significant increases in both their revenue and net profit, which were driven by higher prices for newly built vessels and favorable exchange rates. Importantly, the company also boasts a record-high order backlog, with deliveries extending through 2030. This means they have a substantial amount of work lined up, providing a degree of visibility on their future earnings over the coming years. Furthermore, Yangzijiang has announced a final dividend for the fiscal year 2024 of SGD 0.12 per share. The details for this dividend include an ex-dividend date of 5th May 2025, a record date of 6th May 2025, and it's expected to be paid around 13th May 2025. This dividend could be an attractive point for investors. It's also worth noting the company's strategic direction. Yangzijiang is increasingly focusing on building more environmentally friendly vessels, such as dual-fuel container ships and gas carriers. This aligns with a global shift towards cleaner energy and could be a positive factor for the company's long-term prospects. Looking ahead, the company has its annual general meeting scheduled for 29th April 2025. This will be an opportunity for shareholders to get more insights into the company's performance and future plans. Of course, like any company operating in a global market, Yangzijiang faces certain risks. One key aspect to keep in mind is that a significant portion of their revenue is in US dollars, which means they are susceptible to fluctuations in currency exchange rates. So, to wrap things up, Yangzijiang Shipbuilding is a company with strong fundamentals, a significant order book extending to 2030, and a forward-looking approach towards cleaner energy vessels. Recent positive news regarding the potential easing of US port fees appears to have provided a boost, although we saw a slight dip today. Investors will likely be keeping a close eye on the upcoming AGM for further updates. That's the latest on Yangzijiang Shipbuilding. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. We'll catch you in the next one.